I'm Maddie and I'm marketing exec here at Rowen Homes. We are a luxury homeware brand specialising in wow interiors with everything available to buy at rowenhomes.com, and we have got an amazing floral setup happening in the studio today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to see it. Make sure you watch until the end to see the finished result, and like and subscribe for more interiors content. So Simon's just setting up the base of the structure now. So Simon, can you explain a little bit how it's going to work?
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I've got this cardboard tube which is going to be the centre structure of the chicken wire, and then we've got this fish gut which is nylon thread which I've doubled and then just tied off at one end. Brilliant. So then I'm going to hook it under the cardboard tube like that, and then that's going to be suspended from the ceiling.
Amazing. So here is a little mock-up of what we're going to create today. So I'll just let you have a little look at the space. So we're going to suspend a gorgeous floral setup from the ceiling. How amazing is this? So this would be amazing for weddings, events, baby showers, or if you just wanted to add some wow to your home. So we've got it here above the marble dining table. So Simon is going to be setting that up today. So we're nearly done with the structure now. Simon's just putting the final touches on. So Simon, how have we created this?
So like I said, we've got the cardboard tube through the centre and added the chicken wire to it, and then we just used a few little tie wraps just to knit the chicken wire together, and then I'll start adding the studs into it.
Yeah, so we've got these amazing florals here. So these are our hydrangeas. You've probably seen these in our other videos as well. So yeah, that's coming up next, so keep watching. Simon, if you just slotted them straight into the chicken wire, you've not used anything else?
So you can secure them on the back with a little bit of wire, but I've just actually double width the chicken wire so the stems can actually just bend through our weighted stems. So you can push them through and you can just pop them at the end a little bit.
Oh yeah, brilliant. Wow, it's looking so amazing. So guys, here is the big reveal. Look at the finished product. It looks so impactful in real life. So we've got faux hydrangeas and orchids in here in a gorgeous ivory color, and this just looks, oh, it looks so amazing. It's so big and looks stunning. And then we've styled it with the marble table down below, and we've just popped some LED and tea light candles on the table with the hydrangea bowls as well. So these flowers are all available to shop on rowenhomes.com. And if you loved this, make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below, and watch out for our next video.